Python looks complicated, but it's actually easier than English. In the next 6 minutes, you'll learn the basics and have real questions to practice with. Let's go! Python is a programming language that reads like plain English. It's beginner-friendly and used by Google, Netflix, and NASA. Think of it as giving instructions to a computer in a simple way. You don't need a math degree, just curiosity. Python powers AI, data analysis, and websites. That's why millions of beginners start here. Python has 3 building blocks: variables, data types, and functions. Variables store information like a container. Data types are categories: numbers, text, true, false. Functions are reusable instructions. Example: you create a function to greet people, then use it 100 times without rewriting. Master these, and you've got the foundation for everything else. Here are 5 questions. 1. Write a variable that stores your name. 2. Create a function that adds 2 numbers. 3. What's the difference between a string and an integer? 4. Write a loop that prints 1 to 10. 5. Explain what a list is. Work through these. They cement learning. Share your answers in the comments, we'll review them. After this, practice daily on platforms like Codecademy or FreeCodeCamp. Build small projects, calculators, to-do lists. Don't just watch, code along. Mistakes teach you more than perfection. Join Python communities, ask questions. In 3 months of consistent practice, you'll be surprised how much you've learned. If Python clicked for you, hit subscribe and like this video. Drop your answer to the 5 practice questions in the comments. I read every one.